can you use common factors to rewrite equivalent algebraic expressions? Camilla wants to fill a rectangular area given by the expression 6 times x squared plus 9 times x. Factor the expression to find possible side lengths of the rectangular area. One way to factor the expression is to use algebra tiles to represent the area and find possible side lengths. How can you use algebra tiles or an expression to represent the area? Use 6x squared tiles and 9x tiles to represent the expression. Arrange the algebra tiles into a rectangle. The side lengths of the rectangle are the factors of the expression. The possible side lengths of the rectangle are 3 times x and 2 times x plus 3. Another way to factor the expression is to find a common factor of the coefficients and variables. Step 1. Write the prime factorization of each term. What is the common factor in each term?
Select your answer.
A common monomial factor is 3 times x. Step 2. Write the expression as the product of the common monomial factor and the sum of two algebraic expressions. Possible side lengths of the rectangular area are 3 times x and 2 times x plus 3.
Factor the expression. 24 times m plus 8 times m squared.
I'm going to factor using the greatest common factor. So we'll have 8m on the outside of the parentheses, and then 8 times 3 is 24, and then 8 times 1m would be 8m squared, because m times m is squared, so we need that. So this will be the way to rewrite this expression.
Factor the given expression completely. Negative 30 times a to the 4th power times b cubed minus 18 times a squared times b.
An expression is completely factored when the algebraic expressions in the sum have no common factors. You can factor a minus 1 from each term. So as you see here, I took out negative 1 from each of the terms. So this is the first term. Then this is the next term, and they took the negative 1 out. And the final result is negative 6 as the factor on the outside of the parentheses, a squared times b, and then on the inside would be 5a squared, because that would equal 30 a to the 4th power, and b squared, b times b squared is b cubed, and 6 times 3 is 18, and then a squared times b from the outside.
Completely factor the expression 24 times p to the 5th power times q cubed plus 64 times p cubed times q to the 6th power.
All right, so I like to find the greatest common factor to factor this out. So I think 8 is the greatest common factor. So I'm going to pull out 8, and then p I can take out P. And take out P and then take out the Q and parentheses plus. And so 8 times 3 is 24. And then 8 times 8 is 64. And then we have to look at the variables. We have P, so 5, and we have 3 there. So we could do P cubed and then have a P here squared. So that 3 plus the 2 equals the 5. Then we have a Q to the 3rd power, Q to the 6th power. So Q could be cubed, and then Q here will be cubed as well. And then 3 plus 3 is 6. And then we factored it all up.